Hey everybody, it is Thursday, March 23rd. Hope everybody's doing well and that you were maybe able to get outside yesterday. It was really beautiful out. For today, Thursday, if you'll open up the folder, you'll see for our assignment, you'll see my video as soon as I'm done making this video. I'll put it in there. And then for today, you're reading chapter 11 and post to the daily discussion board. I'm going to go back out a minute into the folder so you can see there's chapter 11 with Miss Anderson. So if you're following along with Miss Anderson's reading, it's in here. Also the PDF of the story. So if you don't have the book, don't worry. I think I've had a couple people email about a book. The PDF version is right there. And then you'll post your response to the question here. And it just says, tell us how things are going. Do you need help with any assignments? Feel free to shout out to your friends right here. This is just a chance for you to kind of just check in with us. Let us know how things are going with your online learning, okay? Because we don't really know how things are going without you sharing that with us, okay? So not a whole lot. Like I told you before, we were slowing down this week, so hopefully you find a momentum with the book and that you're able to keep up with this week's daily lessons. I also want to tell you that for those that took the summative yesterday, I had a couple people already question about a retake. What we're going to do is I will create a new test in Schoology. It won't be in that Google form this time. It'll just be a test in Schoology, a little something you're more familiar with, that format. And if you want to retake it, you don't have to tell me. You could just go in. I'll make it available on Friday. You'll go in, take the test, and what I'll do is I will put your highest score in the grade book, okay? We're not going to put an 80 if you make a 95. I'm putting a 95. We just don't feel it's fair to honor that 80 when we can give you guys your score that you get, okay? So if that makes sense, we'll just put the highest score in the grade book. So it'll be in there. It will be optional. If you did well on the first test yesterday on Wednesday, then you're fine. It's for people who want to boost their grade, because that is a summative grade, okay? Also, starting next week, we do have a schedule. I'm sure that Dr. Sagona and Miss White are going to put it out, if they haven't already, to parents to let you know that there's a schedule now for online teaching. So on Tuesday afternoons and Thursday mornings, I'll be on a Google Meet with Miss Anderson, and you can jump on. We'll post the link for you, and you can get on and just discuss the book if you want, ask questions, let us know if you're having trouble with anything, or just to get on and say hi. It's a great way to see you, us, and your friends, okay? So that'll be starting next week. There'll be a schedule for you for every one of your classes, and for ELA, it's Tuesday afternoon at 2, and Thursdays at 10. Let me check the schedule. Hang on. Okay. So those of you that can see the screen right now, these are the online classes, okay? So on Tuesday at 2 for ELA, Thursday at 9 for ELA. Will be available. We'll give you a Google link. You literally click the link and you're right into a Google Meet, okay? Notice on Tuesday is also a learning support day. This will be a day for you to get help from us, or for you to maybe get some of your assignments done that you haven't quite finished, okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you again tomorrow morning. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.